AHA Cleanser, therapeutic soap combining hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, and alpha-hydroxy acid. Suitable for all skin types. Exfoliant gel and activator, consists of two substances that complement each other, and when mixed together, they provide the skin with everything it needs. The exfoliant gel is a powerful peeling gel that moisturizes the skin and helps strengthen its texture, providing anti-aging effects to reduce signs of aging, brighten the skin, and give it a uniform and fresh tone. It contains vitamin C, bilberry acids, vitamins, and minerals from seawater, known for their powerful antioxidant properties. The activator's task is to enhance the activity of active components in the exfoliant gel, thanks to special sea salts. Boosting Mask, a brightening mask enriched with plant extracts, minerals from seawater, and menthol oil. The mask creates a cooling sensation as it binds to the skin's receptors, constricts blood vessels, and aids in blood circulation and oxygen transmission. It softens the skin and improves the absorption of therapeutic solutions. The mask's activity lasts for about 4 hours after the procedure, resulting in smooth skin texture and an even tone. Eye Area Mask, a therapeutic mask for the delicate skin around the eyes, combining 3 actions in one device, reducing puffiness with magnesium, which helps expand capillaries for lymphatic system activity and blood circulation through a pumping effect, lightening spots with vitamin C extract, arbutin, lactic acid, and glycolic acid, and smoothing wrinkles with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Lightening and Nourishing Cream, a cream therapy combining 3 actions in one device, reducing and breaking down melanin with high levels of vitamin C, kojic acid, and vitamin A, rich in moisture and nutrition with vitamins and minerals from seawater, cucumber oil, and carrot oil.